a handyman in a can. It's like a handyman in a can. It's like a handy can. It's like a handman can in a can. It's like a handy can.
I didn't know it was recording.
Watch your fingers, you can cut yourself.
Yeah. Someone found that.
Oh, this one's easy to open.
Yeah, there could be $1,000 card in there.
Rihanna, don't bend it.
Yo,
I'm not bending.
Don't bend it.
Who's that?
Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey.
Oh, sorry.
Jim Carrey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that guy won the best net, dude.
Who's that?
Chris Osgood.
Oh!
Is that Ozzy?
Stanley Cup champion.
Yes. Chris Osgood.
Burke.
Sean Burke?
Sean Burke.
Yo, this is all goalies? Oh my god, we won the lottery, dude. Sean Burke.
Oh, one stuck together.
Yeah, keep going to this one.
Oh my god.
Theodore?
Oh, I thought it was
Josie
baseball, man. I almost had a heart attack.
You're so
Yo,
good.
are they all goalies?
Who's that? Ooh, Felix Potvin! I love
Oh
his
my
mouth.
god, yo. Is that a Stalkers? Oh no, I thought it was a car.
Yo, it's not that exciting.
It's vodka.
Plain coat.
Okay, next one.
Coffee.
Is that Paul Coffey?
Yeah.
It's not Paul Coffey.
Yeah.
Is it? He's old. No.
Doesn't it just say the last name on it?
Paul Coffey.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool. I know he
Kozlov.
Kozlov, okay.
Is that Vyacheslav
Slava.
Kozlov, yeah.
Why he sees him and everything.
Cinema. Mariano.
Mariano, yo, this is a sick kid.
And like,
That was a good first one. What's better, Pinnacle or OPG?
no, not that side. This side.
Nice.
How do you open it?
What is that? What do you do?
How do you open it? How do you open it?
Oh my god.
Can you do it?
I'll open it. I'll go like this.
Oh shit. Wait, I don't know. Okay.
There, turn it. No, hold it. No, other way. Hey, other.
Stop!
It's this way. Go this way.
Oh,
Hold it.
Yeah.
Hold the handle. Hold the handle.
babe, that's not how you do it.
That's not how you do it.
That's not. Okay, you do it. I can't do it. They're waiting for some beautiful cards, and this is what you're doing.
You can't even do it.
Open the.
Hockey cards in a can.
I'm not gonna do this. Why are you buying freaking hockey? Stop!
What's that commercial though? Handyman in
In a can. Hockey cards in a can. Yeah, we're not getting cans this time. I don't want these cans.
I like it.
Oh, look at his face. Spray me. Like who takes a picture of that? Like what the hell? like I'm gonna spray some water on it.
Is that Trevor Kidd?
No, but look at this card.
Trevor Kidd?
Oh, Trevor Kidd. Yeah, that's
Yo,
good.
isn't that Trevor Kidd?
Yeah, I like this
Oh my
card.
god, yo, they didn't even take a picture of his mask?
No, they're spraying water.
What is happening here?
Who's that?
This is the sickest mask ever.
Bison.
Yeah, dinosaur phone.
Ooh, Nikolai Habibulin.
Oh, Bulin Wall. Let me
That's,
see.
look at these Coyote jerseys, Arjun.
Yeah, those are sick.
Carey? Who's
Why are
that?
they all drinking water?
I don't know. Jim Carrey?
Yo, I don't know if these are the ugliest guys or the most genius. I don't know, man. They're funny.
Yeah, these are awesome. Chris Osgood.
Yo, let me see. Oh, yeah. That's
I think that's Langenbrunner.
Yo, J.K.
yeah.
Langenbrunner is a monster.
Yo, his name didn't even fit his jersey. They had to like shrink it. Ruchin.
Steve Richard, yeah.
You know. Kustatinov. Kusta. Lebrin. I don't even know. Lenembry?
Melody.
Ooh, is that Kevin Hatcher? This guy used to be a scary ass different. He would like body check you and just like make it super scary.
And Blake.
These cans are cool. A great way to show off your cans with this great 24 can display mail. Please send a check for $29.95. I mean, if you guys send a check, I would appreciate that. But thank you for $2 a can. I think we're finished the video. Are we?
Yeah.
And that was fun.
Or is your brother coming down?
Catch up with. Oh, he's coming up with more.
One more.
One more.
But no Gretzky. I'm not opening the Gretzky.
We have a Gretzky can. If you guys want to open it, we gotta get 1,000 views.
No way.
1,000 views for Gretzky.
No Gretzky.
1,000 views for Gretzky. 1,000 views for Gretzky.
From the bottom.
2,000 views. What do we have to do to open Gretzky?
No Gretzky.
No, you can't do that.
Gretzky cards are worth a lot, man. Like $20.
Okay. Okay, 3,000 views.
3,000 views for that.
3,000
Catch it.
views.
No, Patrick Waugh, Gretzky. I
Catch
don't know,
it.
man. I don't know.
Catch.
That's Wayne Gretzky, dude.
These ones are cool.
These are
Oh, look, Peter Forsberg.
Peter Forsberg.
Theo Shabano from Sweden.
Forsberg.
Is this mine or yours?
You can open it.
Haha, yours.
Oh no, I listened to the pronunciation. It's
I want you to say names, though.
Forsberg.
Fine. Because you gotta learn the names too. Or trying to teach you how to play Peter Forsberg.
Peter Forsberg.
Oh, there's a checklist. What is he doing in this picture? Why is he taking such weird ass pictures? Look at this. He's scared of
Man,
the
he's a monster, dude.
He's scared of the puck. Look at this card.
Forsberg.
Look at this card.
Sundin.
Look at this card.
Yeah, I don't know if they're doing
Checklist.
this.
I don't care about a checklist.
Forsberg.
Oh!
Wayne Gretzky.
Oh! No. Guy No, not that one. I saw a freaking hasher.
Yo, you just went by Guy there? Please show that.
Look at this one. Mark Messier.
That's Mighty Ducks, homie.
Oh yeah, that's a cool jersey. They called you Goldberg because you're fat. They called you Goldberg because you were a little overweight. Dominic Hasher.
What kind of card is that?
He has a freaking bucket on his head.
Oh, St. Patty's Day.
Oh,
Hey, this is a special card, dude.
what?
Coach's collection.
Say swear.
Yeah, this is worth like $5-10.
Yo, what if this guy was staring at you?
Good thing you did not vend it.
Get your
That's
face.
done over
Oh
there, right?
no.
No.
No, Rob Vandermark.
No, this is Gardner.
Rob Vandermark?
Dave Gardner.
Oh, Dave
I
Garnier.
thought it was Mike Gardner. Oh, Garnier. Sam Garnier used to be a
Yeah,
fan.
Dave Garnier didn't vend that hash, dude.
Renberg?
Hey, that's Mark Messier, the Moose.
I know, I told you that, you
Oh.
idiot. Audette.
Family-friendly channel.
Chris Pronger. Wasn't
Yeah,
that
Chris
wasn't that your favorite
Pronger.
player on NHL?
Pronger McInnes? Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool.
Yo, what?
Where am I putting?
Stop
Freaking
doing that.
Guerin. These cans are cool.
Do not clown with Chris
Can we get a check for $29.95? And free shipping. I mean, if people give us free shipping, that's pretty
That's
cool.
pretty good, man. That's pretty good.
Well, that's all for
Show the
today.
cans, show the cans. They have pictures on
Oh yeah, this one is Lindros.
it. That's Paul Korea.
This is a
Sick.
Pro Korea. If you guys have more cans, please send it to us. We love opening these packs. But that's gonna be all for today. I think the next video we're gonna open
Yeah.
the what?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.